This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Agitavach, Agizintavach, Parshas Terumah. The amazing comment of the Baal HaTurim, Perek Chavav, Pasuk Chavdalet, V'yiyuz sayamim milamata v'yachdav yiyuz samim al roshai. It says the Baal HaTurim 3 times in Tanakh. It says the word v'yachdav. The Masoretic note, Gimel, teaches that 3 times it says the word v'yachdav. It says it here, v'yachdav yiyuz samim al roshai. It says this again in later on in Sefer Shemais by the repetition of the construction of the Mishkan. Again, v'yachdav yiyuz samim al roshai. And then it says a 3rd time the word v'yachdav. It says v'yachdav kulam yichlayon. They will all be united in destruction. And the Ben Lashvi, the tzaddik of Ranan, Rabbi Yitzchak HaKohen Huberman, points out that in his opinion the Masoretic note indicates the connection between and the contrast of 2 types of unity. Because I believe Achdus and unity is the most misunderstood and abused concept in Judaism. Yes, Achdus is wonderful, but it has to be for the right purpose. Now, says the tzaddik Ranana, V'yachdav yiyu samim. Together they should be flush. However, you know when it's a maila, al roishoi, when the unity is in regarding what's in the head, which is the neshama. When the souls are united, that's a great maila. When people do mitzvahs be'achdus. However, if the achdus is for bad things, if it's not to go in the ways of Hashem, then as the Gemara says in Sanhedrin Daf Chavav, it says by Shevna HaSofer, Kesher Rishayim Eino Min HaMinyan. The unity, the grouping of the wicked is not counted. And therefore, the Dar HaFlaga were also in unity. They were Safa Achas Udvarim Achadim. But they were all Yachdav Kulam Yichlayon. They were all together destroyed. Because unity, when it comes for destructive purposes, is not unity. Kesher Risham Eino Min HaMinyan. Unity is good when it's V'yachdav Yu Al Roishai. When it's the souls that are united. But when it's of lower purpose, Kesher Risham Eino Min HaMinyan V'yachdav Kulam Yichlayon. Wishing everyone a gutavach, a gezuntavach, a mazel dekavach.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.